How to prune boxwoods. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to prune boxwoods. Boxwoods are slow-growing plants that don't require a lot of maintenance. However, your boxwoods will benefit from occasional pruning. 3 reasons to prune boxwoods. Number 1. Improve airflow. Boxwoods are dense plants. Pruning your boxwoods will improve the airflow. It will also bring more light to the inner branches, which will reduce diseases. Number 2. Stimulate new growth. Pruning boxwoods encourages new growth. This will result in denser growth. Just be careful and don't prune your boxwoods during late fall. You want the new growth to have time to harden off before the first frost. Number 3. Shape your boxwoods. Pruning boxwoods will control overgrown boxwoods. Occasional pruning will give your boxwoods a nice shape. When to prune boxwoods? The best time to prune boxwoods is in the spring. But you can prune your boxwoods any time of the year as long as it's not too close to the first frost of the year. I don't recommend pruning boxwoods in late fall and winter because you don't want to stimulate new growth in the winter. How often to prune boxwoods? Prune your boxwoods once a year. Your boxwoods will benefit from the once a year pruning because it will stimulate new growth and improve airflow. Here are the tools that you need to prune your boxwoods. Here I have a small pruning shear. I also have a large hedge trimmer. For smaller cuts and cuts to the inside branches, I mostly use the small pruning shear. The large hedge trimmer is mostly to shape the boxwood's exterior. How to prune boxwoods? It's easy to prune boxwoods. Step 1. Prune the inner branches. Open up your boxwood. You can see it's so dense. Cut off the inner branches. Remove the dead branches and leaves. This will improve airflow. It will also bring more light into the inner branches. Step 2. Prune the outer branches. After cleaning up the inner branches, you can start working your way to prune the outer branches. You'll see that there's a lot of uneven growth that sticks out. Work on pruning back the uneven growth that sticks out. Cut below in the inside branch. Keep pruning until you trim down the uneven growth. Step 3. Shape your boxwoods. After removing the uneven growth, you can do some final shaping of your boxwoods. Just remember, you don't want to over prune your boxwoods. Over pruning your boxwoods can kill your boxwoods. That's it. It's easy to prune your boxwood. Please like and subscribe for more gardening videos like this. Thanks for watching.